If you think Easter egg painting is just dipping eggs in dye, you're about to be very surprised, because Easter eggs have come a long way. From hand-painted designs, to modern patterns, to mess-free tools like the Eggmazing Egg Decorator. There are so many creative ways to decorate Easter eggs now, even if you're not artistic at all. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, I'm sharing the best Easter egg painting ideas and Easter egg designs ideas for all skill levels. You'll see creative egg painting ideas anyone can try, fun Eggmazing ideas using the Eggmazing Egg Decorator, easy DIY Easter egg decorating ideas for kids and adults, helpful Easter egg decorating tips for cleaner, better results, and beautiful decorative Easter eggs you can actually display. Whether you're crafting with kids, decorating for Easter, or just want eggs that look amazing without the mess, this video has something for you. Let's start with the most classic and most creative egg painting ideas. Why are Easter egg painting ideas so popular every spring? Egg painting is a fun Easter tradition for all ages. Creative Easter egg painting ideas bring families together and spark creativity. What are the most popular Easter egg designs ideas right now? Marbled eggs, pastel patterns, and modern minimal designs. These Easter egg designs ideas feel fresh and stylish. If you love Easter crafts, hit like and share this video with someone who loves painting eggs. What egg decorating ideas are best for beginners? Simple stripes, dots, and single-color dips. Easy egg decorating ideas don't require advanced skill. How do Easter egg decorating ideas differ from regular crafts? They They focus on color, symbolism, and spring themes. Easter egg decorating ideas feel playful and seasonal. What's your favorite? Traditional dyed eggs or painted designs? Tell me below. What are Eggmazing Ideas and why are they so popular? Eggmazing tools spin eggs while you decorate. These Eggmazing Ideas create smooth, mess-free designs. How does the Eggmazing egg decorator work? It rotates the egg while you draw patterns. The Eggmazing egg decorator makes decorating fun and easy. For more Easter DIYs and kid-friendly crafts, check the playlist in the description. What Eggmazing egg decorator designs look the best? Geometric lines, rainbow spins, and layered colors. Eggmazing egg decorator designs always look polished. How do egg painting ideas differ from egg coloring ideas? Painting allows more detail and creativity. Egg painting ideas offer more control than dipping dyes. Love creative DIY and seasonal crafts? Subscribe for weekly inspiration. What Easter egg coloring ideas work for kids? Crayon resist designs, sponge painting, and sticker accents. These Easter egg coloring ideas are safe and fun. How do DIY Easter egg decorating ideas Ideas save money. They use simple supplies and reusable tools. DIY Easter egg decorating ideas are budget-friendly and creative. For more Easter crafts and decorating ideas, check the related videos below. How can decorative Easter eggs be used in home decor? Display them in bowls, trays, wreaths, or centerpieces. Decorative Easter eggs add charm to any space. What Easter painting ideas work beyond eggs? Paint signs, jars, or bunny cutouts. These Easter painting ideas pair beautifully with egg decor. What Easter egg ideas work for adults? Neutral palettes, gold accents, and minimalist patterns. Grown-up Easter egg ideas feel elegant and modern. What Easter egg decorating tips help designs last longer? Use sealant or decorate faux eggs. These Easter egg decorating tips keep designs fresh. What's the easiest Easter egg painting idea for last-minute crafting? Single-color eggs with marker details, even quick egg paint. Painting ideas look beautiful. And that's it. 15 Easter egg painting ideas to help you create colorful, creative, and memorable Easter eggs this season. From classic painted designs and modern patterns to fun Eggmazing egg decorator ideas, egg decorating is one of the best ways to celebrate Easter. Whether you're crafting with kids or designing elegant decorative eggs, these Easter egg designs ideas prove that a little creativity goes a long way. Have you tried the Eggmazing decorator, or do you paint eggs by hand? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Easter crafts and seasonal DIY inspiration. Happy Easter!